In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize data in Power BI. To get started, open Power BI and make sure you're in the report view where you can build and arrange visuals on the canvas. Once you're there, look to the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This area gives you access to tools for adding new elements to your report, and it's where you'll begin creating your visualization. After opening the Insert tab, find the option labeled New Visual and click it. As soon as you do that, Power BI will place a blank visual area onto your report canvas. This is the workspace where your data will be turned into a chart, graph, or another visual format. At first, it may look empty, and that's completely normal. Power BI is simply waiting for you to tell it which data you want to display. Next, look for the area where you can drag fields into the visual. This section is important because it controls what information appears in your chart. You'll usually see placeholders or field wells that accept data when you drag items into them. Think of this as the structure of your visual. Once fields are added, Power BI starts interpreting the information and building the display for you. Now move your attention to the right side of the screen and click the Data area. This is where your available dataset fields are listed. You'll see the columns and categories from the data you imported into Power BI. Take a moment here to identify the field or fields you want to visualize. Choosing the right data is what makes the visual meaningful and easy to understand. From the Data area, click the field you want to use and drag it into the visual area. You can drag the data directly into the blank visual or into the field wells, depending on what Power BI shows on your screen. As soon as you drop the field in place, Power BI will begin generating the visualization automatically. This is one of the most useful features of the platform because it helps you quickly turn raw data into something visual and easier to analyze. If you want the clearest results, make sure you choose data that fits together logically, such as categories, values, or dates that can be represented visually. Once your field is in place, your visual is created, and that's it. You've successfully visualized data in Power BI.